The doors are going into paint. I was a little bit behind the curve here. The body work was done. These doors were delivered to us, and they required body work and some fabrication. Overall, the condition of the door was in pretty good shape. We did the rest of the body work. We did a lot of sealing and priming, and that's what's going on here. He's just getting to that one over there. Again, this color is off a 2006 or 7 Range Rover. It is a mint green type color. Has a very slight metallic in it, so it's not a solid. And we're shooting base coat, clear coat, so this first coat is the base going on, and then we'll shoot it with clear. We usually do 3 coats of base and 3 coats of clear, PPG finishes. This is either DBC or DBU type of quality paint, which is the high quality paint. Really will stand up to UV ray protection, all that good stuff.